Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we'll be talking about some of the best Discord servers that you guys can join when it comes to anime in the year 2024. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and as you guys can see from my screen here, I have my Discord server set up, and obviously for the purpose of this vid, I'm just using a dummy account for this, but the idea here is I like to use a little tool called disbar.org. So disbar.org is basically a collective database or archive for all of the public Discord servers that you can join that align with your interests or niche. So in this case, because we're looking to basically engage with a bigger community when it comes to anime, maybe discover new shows, new franchises, this is the way to do it. Now, what you need to do is you need to go to this website, disbar.org, and click on search, because we're basically going to narrow down the search results to align with our niche. So in this case, it's going to be anime. So as you guys can see here, anime and manga has its own subcategory. Or if you want to search them by tags, you can do so as well. So simply, if we were to look at anime, then this is the way to go. Simply select the tag, and more importantly, you guys would want to select the language, as this is a pretty broad, wide spectrum for the community. So you would want to opt for English if that's the language you speak, obviously. And then from here, you'd want to change you want to sort it out by member count, because this is actually going to pull up all of the active communities on Discord that you can join. So you can see here, the lounge is focused on anime, but I may not join this one because as you can see, it has some pretty unsafe tags. So there's not safe for work, there's porn and stuff, so let's not join that. But nevertheless, this is the way to do it. So if you guys go to read the description here, it says that Mika Paradise is basically an anime server where it talks about gaming, anime, emotes, e-girls, and dating. So if you want to, you could join that as well. There's Anime Soul Discord, where the description goes, we are the largest anime community on Discord. Join us today. Our goal is to bring anime fans and gamers from everywhere around the world to one place, more than 700,000 members and counting. So here you guys get to participate in events, giveaways, and engage with the community, maybe meet some new members, make some friends, and so on, play games together, and talk about anime. So I think this one is the most wholesome one. So we're actually going to join this, but right before I go to their invite link, I'm just gonna pause the video quick here to see if there's any explicit content. So be right back. Okay, so it's safe to say that this third one is the one to opt for. So I'm going to click on join server, and what's going to happen is you'll be redirected to their website right here, or their invite link, where you would need to click on accept invites, and then the effects would redirect you to your Discord, where you would get to join server and basically have at it. Now you can make friends, talk about anime, and so on and so forth. So yeah, that's the video. So hopefully it helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily, so be sure to subscribe to that so you don't miss out on any of our videos. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.